Hey guys, Simply Colie here, and today we're going to be doing a review on the premium white strips from Kroger, because we all know that I am cheap and I won't buy name brand items. So here we go. This is whitening strips. I got the 14-day package, and overall I liked them. I think that they did a fantastic job. I don't agree with this 60% whiter in 1 day, disagree with that, but I will say over the whole process it definitely lightened my teeth a significant amount. Like, they were super yellow and now they're much whiter, and I stopped using this probably 3-ish weeks ago, so I'm actually surprised with the staying power of it as well. I actually would like to go get some more just because I feel like they're not white enough. They're not white enough, let's be real. Drink too much coffee. So I would like to get some more because I think that they really did work, and the price on this was fantastic in comparison to the Crest brand. It was a lot cheaper. This was like, I want to say it was like $11 because it was on sale. I want to say that. And then like the Crest one was like $20+. I loved it. I mean, it didn't taste good. I've never had a tooth product whitener that has tasted good, and this is actually the first one that I've stuck to for the 14 days. Normally I'll buy them and I'll do it for like a day, and then I'll get lazy and not do it, and then I'll do it, and then I'll not do it, and then, you know, I wasn't consistent in using it, so it didn't work. But this one I was very consistent. I used it every single day for 14 days. I loved it. The only downside is that it does have to stay on your teeth for 30 minutes. And it is those like filmy ones where like you just stick it on like that and then you kind of fold it over. Am I trying to talk while doing that? And fold it over like onto your teeth. So like the moisture from your mouth can like make it slip and slide, and then that's when you like taste the disgusting stuff that's in it. And it does take 30 minutes. So as long as you remember to do it like before you're getting dressed or before you're putting your makeup on, you're okay. But if it's like a busy day and you forget, then that's when I would do it at night, because you can't do it in the middle of the day. It also says don't do it right after you've brushed your teeth, which I thought was like a weird thing. I don't know, like maybe because you would be irritated and it might irritate you more. I'm not sure. But it does say don't do it right after you brush your teeth, which is why I tried to do it in the morning first thing, because at night it's hard to do it 30 minutes and then not brush your teeth. Like, I guess you brush your teeth after, which is what I did. The only other negative I will say about this is that it did make my teeth sensitive. And I wouldn't say it was like a significant amount. Like, it wasn't awful. I could still eat and drink and like eat ice cream and drink cold drinks with ice. But I could tell that they were definitely more sensitive, and I kind of did avoid some of those things towards the end because it kind of built up over time. But I did notice that, you know, once I used my Sensodyne, let's be real, it's not Sensodyne, it's the Kroger brand Sensodyne. Yeah, so once I used that, it actually did help a significant amount too. And yeah, once I was done, like the next day or two, I didn't have any more sensitivity. So it's really just while you're doing it. But I really liked it. I think it worked fantastic. So if you're looking for a cheap teeth whitener that does work, I would check this out. I would say my teeth did lighten a couple shades. So yeah, definitely give it a go. Yeah, so definitely check this out if you're interested in trying to get your teeth a little bit whiter and you're on a budget. And I guess that's it for today. And if you guys wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel, that would be amazing. I would truly appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.